What's up, guys? It's Carlos. Okay, so look, I need some help with this car. I want to say I'm 35% done with it, not even close. But I do have the car back up and running, which is a good thing. That was a big thing that was scary was buying it non-running. And then, we do have a key to it, and it starts. The pyro fuse in the very front is the reason why it wasn't running. Apparently, on these Lamborghinis and Audis and just a few other cars. Uh, when the airbag blows, it messes up a fuse inside of there. Wasn't hard. Glad that's the reason, it stopped running. But I can't leave it running for longer than 20 seconds. It doesn't have any coolant in the radiator. Um, so that's another issue I'm running into is this one right here has a hole right here, and I'm trying to get that switched over to another one. I bought a new one, but I also don't want to drain the Freon. I hate to do a Freon service on this. I'm already going to have to service the coolant. I've got this part brand new. I've got the fender, same color. I've got the hood, same color. Front bumper is a different color. I'm still looking for the headlights. Those I'm finding them around 35 to 4,500 each. I don't want to buy that till I got the car back up and running. Um, Now I'm dealing with this right here, which is the dash being busted over there. So I'm debating. I found a used dash for 2,500 bucks, but the stitching is a different color, and this car's got the yellow stitching all throughout it. So I want to keep it yellow. Thought about buying the one that I found is red. Thought about buying it and just painting it, dyeing the stitching black. And then I found a company that apparently can fix this, so I'm gonna figure out how much that would run. Um, so I'm debating if I should get it fixed or replace it and change the stitching or something. So I'm still kind of wondering on that. And then I've got these things to deal with right here. Those are gonna be a pain in the ass. So as y'all can see, it's getting there. It's a lot of stuff. Uh, this is the second time I've worked on a Lamborghini. I had the Gallardo, I had the red Huracan, which was easier. That was way easier. No blown airbags. It was just replacing the rear where it was hit, ordering the bumper. It didn't take this long. This one, I brought it up here to the shop so we can actually work on it a little bit more. I've been able to do maybe 2 hours a day. I still got the shop to run. I'm not taking in any mechanical work. I'm not buying many cars. I've just kind of slowed down with that. I've got a rental property I'm working on. That one we're going to fix and we're going to put it out on the market. Getting rid of it, it was a pain in the ass. It just wasn't worth it for me to rent that property out. I've made a few videos about that, most of them on my Facebook. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. Uh, Instagram, I really don't use much, but I am going to start posting more on Instagram and just grow the business side, which is the car lot. That's what makes me money. This right here, I'm debating if I should keep it, completely fix it, or if I should just send it to the auction. I feel like at the price that I've got it at right now, I could send it to the auction just from where I got it running, and I can make an easy 10K, just quick flip. But we want to get this thing up and going. So I don't know if I should send it to the auction, kind of get rid of it, put that money in the market. Stock market's low right now. There's a lot of stuff that's going on that I'm just not sure of. But subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, CDM the Boss on Instagram. I'm going to try to update on this car at least once a week. Um, if y'all know anybody who can stitch this up or anywhere I can send this to, also I need somebody that can rebuild these or reset the airbag lights. Just anybody that has used parts. Also, I mean, I need used parts. Maybe I can find the dash. It's a lot, guys. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully, I'll have that dash out. Uh, we'll just see how it goes.